Highlighter. Hey beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this super cute, I think I'm gonna call it head in the clouds makeup look. I honestly don't know what to call it because it's like a cloud, like it has a cloud cut crease and then it has a cloud eyeliner wing, and it also has stars in there because, you know, I feel like this is just mainly based on the sky. I don't know what the purpose for this was. I was going through Pinterest and I saw someone do this really cool cloud cut crease where they like did a full entire cut crease type thing in the shape of a cloud, and I thought that was the coolest thing ever. And I thought, what if I just did like a cloud outline? That would be so cool. And then I did like a cloud wing eyeliner, and it was actually perfect because I just got the 35i Icy Fantasy Morphe palette because I have an addiction and someone needs to stop me, really. I cannot stop buying palettes, it's so bad. But yeah, so if you guys would like to achieve this really cute cloudy look, then just keep on watching. Okay beauty babes, so I'm going to be doing my bronzer first. So I'm just pulling out my Hoola Benefit mini bronzer, and yes, this is the mini travel sized one because I do not have the regular size. I got this actually for my little mini kit that I have in my purse, but I fell in love with this bronzer. Hello guys, I am back, and the reason for that is because I'm a complete and utter liar. Okay, here's the real reason why I decided not to get the regular sized Hoola Matte bronzer. It's because it's $30 and the small one was $17, and I'm broke, okay? I spend way too much money, don't judge me. So we're using the mini, deal with it. Okay beauty babes, and now we're moving on to our eyes. So I am just pulling out my 35i Icy Fantasy Morphe palette, which, I mean, why are you guys surprised? Of course I have this freaking palette. I need to stop buying palettes, but I'm not going to. Hey, look at that. Here lies the reason why I can't afford $30 bronzer. Also, side note, is anyone else thinking about the song, the Ice, Ice, Baby, Too Cold, Too Cold, Too Cold? Because, like, that song is, like, stuck in my head right now, and I think it's because the palette is called Icy Fantasy, but, like, Ice, Ice, Baby, Too... I don't know. Oh my god, it's, like, bothering the crap out of me. And first, I'm just going into the color Black Ice, and I'm just going to be blending this as much as possible because this kind of is going to be a smoky eye look, so just make sure to use as little product as possible and just to blend it super nicely so that it's not too dark, I guess, in a way. And you are just going to be putting that on the crease. And now I'm just going into the color Into the Blue and just putting that right next to the color Black Ice. And now I'm just going to be moving on to my eyelid, and I'm going to be going back into the color Black Ice and just putting that on the outer corner of my eyelid. And now I'm just going back into the color Into the Blue and just putting that right next to the color Black Ice. And I'm going to be leaving a little bit of room because we are going to be putting some sparkles right there. And now I'm just going to be going into the color Cold Snap, and I'm just going to be putting that on top of the color Into the Blue, just to sparkle it up a little bit. Now I'm going into the color Brilliant, and I'm going to be putting that on my brow bone. It's such a cute name, it reminds me of polar bears. Now I'm taking out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to be putting this in between the colors Into the Blue and Black Ice on my eyelid because we will be adding sparkles there. But just make sure not to do too much because we do not want to distract from the cloud design, so we're just going to be doing a little bit of sparkles. And now I'm taking out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti Liquefied Eyeshadow in the color Guava Glitz, and I'm just going to be putting this on top of the concealer we just applied. And now I'm going into the color Frostbite and putting that on top of the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Liquefied Eyeshadow. And I'm going to say this, these are actual sparkles, so just be careful when putting these on your eyelid. Just make sure to dab it in a sense and make sure that you're careful because once this goes on your eye, it is not going to be coming off. Yay. now I'm just taking out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color black and putting this on my waterline. Now I'm just going to go into the color Into the Blue and putting this underneath my eye about like a quarter of the way, leaving some room behind. And then I'm just going to be going into the color Cold Snap and putting that on top of the color Into the Blue. And now I'm pulling back out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti Liquefied eyeshadow in the color Guava Glitz and just putting that the rest of the way underneath my eye. And now I'm just moving back into the color Frost Bright and putting that underneath my eye on top of the Guava Glitz liquid eyeshadow. And now it is time for my favorite part. We are moving on to eyeliner. I'm just pulling out my NYX Professionals white liquid eyeliner. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we are going to be doing the cloud eyeliner design that is in the shape of a half cut crease. The best advice I could give you for this is just to kind of keep repeating half circles. If you are a little bit scared about making a mistake, then you are more than welcome to grab out your concealer and just kind of do a trace and then put the liquid eyeliner on top. That could also work out, but I'm just going to jump right in. I almost just blinked. Oh, that would have been so bad. Now I'm just going to be drawing like a little star since this is kind of like the nighttime part of it. So I'm going to be drawing just like a line horizontal and then a line vertical. So now we are going to be doing a wing and we are going to be making this into a cloud wing. So I'm just going to try my hardest to explain it. If I fail, then I'm just going to do a voiceover and try to it because this is gonna be hard. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our regular eyeliner, just drawing it out, and then we are going to bring a long point up. Instead of doing another point down and filling that in, we are going to be doing little half circles to make it look like a cloud. If you are confused, you are more than welcome to watch me do it and then you try it. Who here actually does the makeup that I do on this video? Like no one. Oh my god.
Yeah, you guys just watch this because it's satisfying. It's okay, you can admit it. I'm a satisfying person.
Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Guys, I'm actually kind of obsessed with this. I feel like a cloud. I feel like I am Rainbow Dash from My Little Pony.
Let's be freaking real. I will never be cooler than Rainbow Dash because, well, you guys have all met me. Also, side note, this show was totally worth forcing my family to watch it with me in like 7th grade. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Like, just saying, I'm happy. Okay. I'm gonna do the other off camera. Okay guys, I am back. I finished the other eye and I think I'm gonna add like 3 stars like right here just to give it a little extra something. First, before we do all of that, I am going to be getting into my highlighter. I'm using the Becca Highlighter in the color Prismatic Amethyst. And I'm just gonna be putting that a little bit in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm pulling out my Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in the color Berries and Bubbly, and I'm just going to be using the blush. And now I'm pulling out my Better Than Sex mascara and obviously just doing my lashes and
underlashes.
Did I just say underlashes? Oh my god. And now that that is all done, I'm just going to be going back into my NYX Professionals liquid eyeliner in the color White. Now I'm pulling out my Stila lip gloss in the color Blue Sky. And you're done! Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or scene requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it will be located out right over here, and it will also be linked down below along with my last video, which is playing underneath me right now, so you guys should definitely check that out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. That is all I have to say. Bye bye, babes, love you.